Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Inspiring Lives. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Let's get started. How to gain respect at work. In today's video, we will discuss how to gain respect at work. One reason people often give for leaving a job is due to lack of respect from co-workers and management. Knowing that you have the respect of your team and management can give you a feeling of purpose and increase your enjoyment and satisfaction with your job. Gaining respect, especially if you are new to work or if you are in management, can be challenging but not impossible. In this video, we will discuss ways you can gain respect at work. First, let's understand why is respect important in the workplace. If you have the respect of your co-workers, they are more likely to cooperate with you. Communications between you and your co-workers will more often be friendly, helpful, and supportive. This reduces the stress both you and your co-workers feel. It can also increase productivity for you and your team. When you have the respect of your management, they are more likely to notice your performance. They are more likely to remember you when considering important projects and when recommending people for special recognitions or promotions. More importantly, as a respected team member, you contribute to the positive atmosphere in the business and encourage others to behave and perform professionally. Now, let's discuss on signs you are respected at work. You may not realize it, but you may already have the respect of your co-workers. Some guys you are respected at work include: everyone seems to have nothing but praise for you and the work you do. Notice especially the way your manager speaks to others about you. Positive comments from your management to others is often a good sign you are respected. Sign number 2. You are never short of work because as soon as you finish one task, your manager gives you something else. This can indicate the level of trust your manager has in your ability to do quality work. Sign number 3. Your co-workers ask for your help and advice, often trusting your opinion with regards to their assignments. This shows they regard you as a valuable employee who does their job well and can, therefore, provide valuable guidance. These were some of the signs that you were respected at the work. How to gain respect at work? Now let's come to the main point. How to gain respect at work? If you are not sure if you have respect in your workplace, here are some things you can do that will help you gain that respect. Number 1. Meet deadlines. Completing your tasks on or before the deadline shows your manager you are reliable and can be trusted to hold yourself accountable. If you don't think you can complete the task by the set date, respectfully inform your management and find out if that date can be changed. This shows you have realistic expectations and you care about the project's success. Number 2. Respect the rules. You can gain the respect of your management and co-workers by arriving at work on time and doing the task assigned to you. This shows you are dependable and willing to work. You should also be aware of the company's policies, codes of conduct, and follow them. This will make you stand out in a positive way, especially if you work with people who are not so conscientious. Number 3. Respect your co-workers. Showing respect for those who work with you can be easy when you like each other. You may find it more challenging to show respect to those you feel have not earned it. However, showing that respect demonstrates your ability to raise above your personal animosity and work together for the good of your team and the business. It displays a level of professionalism that can benefit your reputation. Number 4. Praise your co-workers. When your co-workers do well, be the first in line to congratulate them. If you get a reward or a promotion, give them the praise they deserve, even if they were chosen over you. Be professional and gracious with your co-workers, and you may find that you gain their respect in return. Number 5. Keep your office conversations positive. Gossip is one of the most negative aspects of office culture. It not only sows seeds of discontent among coworkers, but it creates a bad atmosphere that can affect productivity. By refusing to participate in gossip and only speaking positively about work and those you work with, you promote unity among your team. You also create a better, more productive work environment. These are things for which you can earn respect. Number 6. Communicate well. If you are a manager, be sure to communicate with your team in a timely fashion any information that is important for them to know. This includes changes to the project and deadlines. It also includes changes at the company that may affect your team, either in terms of policy or personal. This transparency will help increase the trust your team has in you. Number 7. Be a good listener. You may have good ideas to share with your team, but you are more likely to gain their respect if you are willing to hear what they have to say first. Each person in the room was hired because of their abilities. Everyone has a perspective to contribute to the discussion. If you show a desire to hear those points of view before you share your own, they will respect you for it. Number 8. Be confident. Your self-confidence can show in the way you perform your job with competence and enthusiasm. It also helps if you have a plan in the event you are laid off. This allows you to be bold and creative and perform your work without the fear of losing your job holding you back. Your self-awareness and creativity might inspire your team to follow your lead. Number 9. Be humble. Confidence and humility work together. If you have confidence in yourself and your ability, you should be willing to admit your mistakes and recognize the qualities of others. When acknowledging an error you have made, be sure to ask how you can correct it. This demonstrates that your admission is not just to clear your conscience, but to help the team. Number 10. Be patient. There are some times when your co-workers make mistakes, especially if they are new to the job or learning a new skill. If you can give them the space they need to develop, encouraging them when they do well and gently correcting them when they fail, you can help them build confidence. It also demonstrates your confidence in them, that they can learn and improve. Number 11. Be positive. One person's attitude can set the tone for a team. If you can be that person who is able to smile and be positive even when things are not going well, you can inspire others to follow your lead. This could impact your team's ability to work together and be productive during difficult times, as well as when things are going well. Number 12. Speak up respectfully when you disagree. Even in the best of work environments, there will be times when you hold a point of view that is different from the majority. You can gain respect among your co-workers and management if you are willing to respectfully speak up and voice your opinion. You might convince your team to take a better course of action, or you might be overruled. Either way, they will respect the fact you cared enough to say something. Number 3. Take a stand against injustice. You can gain respect at work by standing up to injustice, especially when it affects your co-workers. You might politely admonish someone for a negative attitude. It may mean you call attention to more serious wrongdoings by management, perhaps unfair discrimination or mishandling of a situation. Number 4. Think the best of people. If, for example, you have a coworker who is constantly late for work or who has trouble finishing their task on time, try to think the best of them. It's possible they have issues at home. That means they struggle to leave the house at a good time. They might be trying to manage multiple demands on their time, so one task always ends up being late. If you offer to help, assuming they have the best of their intentions, you will more likely gain their respect. Number 15. Be professional. A tidy and organized workplace can project the image of someone who is hardworking and disciplined. Couple this with being smartly dressed, and you will appear to people as someone who cares about their job and respects the workplace. To solidify the respectful image, be sure to act professionally even at after hours of office functions. Number 16, the last one. Be valuable. No one in a business is irreplaceable, but you can make yourself hard to be without by showing yourself to be diligent, reliable, and professional. You make yourself into a valuable employee. You can also complete training to enhance your skill sets. The more unique a skill set you have, the harder you will be to replace. These were some of the guidelines which you can follow and command respect at workplace. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for receiving the notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.